Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wala. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers for the role of full stack developer. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hirings. Before that, like the video, smash the subscribe. So first we have from allevent.in. Allevent is hiring for the role of full stack developer. So let's discuss what responsibility you will take on this role. Learn about the existing tech stack and platform. Similarly, incremental improvement to the existing system, and you will also redesigning existing system from scratch based on changing trends and customer feedback. Moreover, this role is also involved with developing new system in the alignment to our core values and research and development to increase the efficiency of the platform. Let's talk about the requirements. Strong knowledge of computer science, fundamental in object oriented design and data structure, algorithms, algorithm design and problem solving, complexity analysis and databases. With that, you have 6 months to 2 years of experience with product development in multiple backend and front technologies. Moving on to the next responsibility, passionate about problem solving and open to work in any technologies. Experience in designing scalable architecture to support a data intensive application. Similarly, experience in writing cleanly reusable React component that work well, and you have excellent verbal and written skill, and good to have previous work experience at a product based company or startup. Here are the additional informations. Job location would be Ahmedabad, and minimum 1 year of experience and maximum 2 year. So if this role is fruitful for you, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. And next we have from PackTech. PackTech hiring full stack developer. Location will be New Delhi and salary between 10 to 20 LPA. And here are the company details. You can read this. And here are the job roles and responsibility. Let's discuss responsibility. Develop and maintain PackTech packing platform and collaborate with cross-functional team, and you have to integrate backend service with front-end modules and ensuring high quality design, and you have to participate in project planning and contributing innovative solution. In line with that, you will also handle monitor performance and optimizing application for maximum speed and scalability. Here is the cultural expectation. You can read this. In short, you have to collaborate effectively with team, build and maintain long-term relationship. You have to ensure process standardization in development, communicate proactively and transparently with team members. And here is the hiring process. First is resume screening. If you qualify the resume screening, then you have a tech interview. If you qualify first tech interview, then you have again second round of tech interview, and then your last interview with founder and HRs. If you are interested in PackTech full stack developer role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. And next we have from Barclays. The job location will be Pune, and interview round starts from 2 January 2025 to 12 January 2025. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate. Development and delivery of high quality software solutions. You will also handle cross-functional collaboration with product manager. Similarly, participating in coder review, and you have to stay informed of industry technology trends. Here are the requirements. You can read this. Here are the additional information. Job location Pune. This is for freshers, no prior experience required. And so just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. So bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round.